Hey guys, thanks for checking in. This is the first day we've had above freezing, or above zero for that matter anyway, for probably a month and a half. Anyway, I figured since it was such nice weather, I better finish up this bike project. So, come out here and show you what we got. Okay, so some of you may recognize this is the bike that I was working on earlier in the fall. It's just got back from a test drive. It's pretty awesome. It's not particularly fast. Top speed's about 25, but I could probably mess with the carburetor and the throttle to get it a little better. Yeah, this is sold as the 100cc kit from China on eBay. I think it was $120. It has the upgraded air filter on the carburetor, slightly better cast intake instead of welded. Supposedly a hotter spark, it looks like. Let's see. Hopefully this is in focus. I think that's about it. Oh, and they upgraded the hardware and the jug slightly different. It's supposed to be bigger. I think it was actually 79 cc's when I did the math on it. This was interesting. This right here. See if I can get that in focus. That nut was cross-threaded, so I had to put another one underneath it, and I put the cap back on top so it looked okay. Yeah, that's kind of typical stuff that you'd expect from these, but I'm gonna go and take it for another spin here and take you guys along. We got the studded tires all ready to rock and roll, and a whole bunch of snow. Oh, and there's one more thing I wanted to show you guys before we get going. This actually has a decent tensioner. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but there's a little standoff here so that it actually rotates. When you tighten this, it doesn't bind like all the crap ones that I've always had in the past. So I don't know if you can get that part separately, but just because of this, I'd say it's worth the extra 20 bucks. All right, let's go see if this thing runs again. Well, that wasn't so bad. Still seems like something's going on with the clutch, but that's some adjustment for a different day. Let's see if maybe we can get some more shots and not die. Oh wow, look at over here. This thing's really leaking. Yeah. So gaskets aren't the best. That might be a source of a vacuum leak, but well, it's cheap. What do you want? Alright, let's go do something else stupid. Alright, so I wanted to do a hill climb, and it hasn't been cleared of any snow, so this is going to be extremely stupid and probably a huge waste of time. Yeah, down there, that's the hill. I think that's about a 30 or 40 foot drop, and the snow is definitely filling it in so it doesn't look as bad, but we're gonna try it out. I do not know what I think I was going to accomplish if I had to run it down. This snow is like a foot deep. There's no way. I can't even get it started. I'm just gonna walk back up, I guess. Yeah, that asthma's kicking in good now. I think I'm just gonna die here. I don't know why I thought I would even be able to get it started at the bottom. Did it sound good while I was going downhill at least? Oh god. Oh. Well, after I catch my breath, maybe we'll do some like burnout or something at the end and then call it a wrap. All right. I feel like we accomplished something. Now I'm gonna go put this inside and warm up and go back to hibernating the rest of the winter. Alright guys, thanks for watching. As always, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to see us next time. Alright, see you later guys.